I greet you and I wish you well. Eyime brings you informative news from the crypto space on this channel, Bitcoin Pikin. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative news from the crypto space in English, Hausa, Yoruba, and Igbo. You can also get a transcript of this video down below on the show more column. You will get a transcript of this video in English, Hausa, Yoruba, and Igbo. You can also get a transcript of this video on our website up above or down below. Our websites are www.bitcoinpikin.com or www.eyimeidemudea.com. Korbit, the largest crypto exchange in South Korea, has successfully added Litecoin. Today is the first day withdrawal can be made. Korbit is one of the oldest and respected exchange in the Asian market, one that Litecoin creator Charlie Lee personally asked for Litecoin to be traded on years ago. Korbit has made the decision to add Litecoin at this time for a good reason. Litecoin has growing recognition as the premier crypto for payments, being faster and cheaper to transact than Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Bitcoin Cash, which are all currently traded on Korbit. Litecoin is emerging as the leading candidate merchant mass adoption, and it can be taken as an endorsement having been added to the top Korean exchange. Being listed on another major exchange that allows direct buying with a major government currency can reasonably be expected to translate into continued increases in value Litecoin. Researchers has released a white paper inspired by the Lightning Network of Bitcoin and Litecoin that outline a protocol designed to help Ethereum to scale to greater demand on the network and to support volumes of more complex smart contracts. The protocol is called Peron, named after the Celtic god of lightning. Several other projects are focused on the same goal, but Peron focuses on security, which is unique and has been praised by Ethereum lead developer Vitailik, who told Peron developer, "I personally am satisfied that it is fundamentally possible to achieve all of the things that you claim in the way you are doing it." Big Mommy Bitcoin is holding well above $8,000 and about $8,250 up to $400 from this time last week, with a gain of 5%. Bitcoin Cash is trading at about $980, up around $240 since last week Thursday. That's a gain of 32% at the moment. Ethereum is priced at almost $560, up roughly $70 in the span of a week. That is a 14% rise in value. And finally, Litecoin continues to crawl upward near $145. That is a gain of $18, which is plus 14% since this time a week ago. See you in our next video. Bye bye.